Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and today I'm going to be making Dutch oven Swiss steaks. For that I'm going to need 3 to 4 cube steaks, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, which I've already put into our pan and it's heating up, about 2 teaspoons of allspice. I chose a nice McCormick's, a packet of brown gravy, almost 2 cups of flour, a can of diced tomatoes, and 2 cups of the beef broth I have. Should be fun. Let's go. Alright, to start off with, we're going to be dipping those cube steaks in our flour mixture. I put our allspice in with the flour. Try to give them a nice coating like this. We're going to be frying those off into the oil in our Dutch oven. You want to do that with all 4 of them, removing them from the heat. After those are browned up mostly, we have time to put in the broth. And leave all those little slightly browny, blacky chunks in it from frying up the steaks, because that'll help with the gravy eventually. After that starts boiling, which it has, we're putting in our tomatoes, adding in the gravy packet. And then one by one, nestling the steaks back into our gravy liquid mixture. Yes, they're not cooked all the way through. They're going to do that on a nice low temperature on the stovetop for the next 2 hours. Putting a lid on this, and I'll see you back in 2 hours. Almost 2 hours later, we have a nicely cooked cube steak and some lovely looking gravy. Alright, I put my Swiss steak over some egg noodles I made, and now the best part's here. Let's try it out. Next one.